She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be.
Alright, so the first thing you want to do to prep yourself for your dip nails is buff your nails, file them out, cut them, and just have them all set for the dip. And oh my gosh, crustiness alert. But anyways, I tried to do the dip nails one time before this and I just took them off, so that's why my nails look super ratchet, I guess you could say. But anyways, right now I am just buffing my nails out, making sure there isn't any shine on my nails, and just, I guess, prepping them for the dip. So the first thing you want to do is grab the base from this Kiara Sky kit. Also, I will have this kit linked down below right away so you guys can purchase it if you would like to. But first you want to grab the base and apply it on your nail, like not all the way to your cuticles, and then dip it in the natural dip powder first. And I feel like this just gives your nail a nice base before you put the color on it. And then after you dip your nail in the base powder, you want to make sure you brush it off with any fluffy brush that you have, and then just repeat this process to all of your nails. Alright, so now that we have one layer of the natural dip powder on our nails, I'm going to go in with the color dark pink. And that is going to be the color that I'm going to be using for my nails. Ultimately, we're just going to be doing the same process yet again. I am going to go in with the base color, apply it to my nail, but not all the way to the cuticles, and then just dip my nail into the color. Also, I think a super good tip that I found out while doing this process, I didn't do it to this nail, but is dipping your finger but not going all the way to the cuticle until your last layer. So that will really help not making your dip look bubbly and stuff. And also I switched to my right hand because my left hand did not turn out the best. I will show you guys at the end of this video, but my right hand came out so good. I'm so proud of it. But here I did one layer of the dip already. As you can see, it looks amazing. So here I am just applying more of the base. This is going to be my second coat for the dip powder. I did 3 coats, but honestly, I think 2 coats could be enough. But as you can see here, I kind of went in, and then after I went to the cuticle, I kind of took it out right away. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my nails, is just applying the base and then dipping it into the powder and then brushing it off. I did 3 coats, but honestly, like I said before, I think 2 coats could be enough. Alright, so now that I am wrapping up the last nail, now I am going to start to go into the Seal and Protect part of the Kiara Sky nail kit. And this is the part where this makes your dip hard. So this is kind of a super important step. You don't want to go all the way to the cuticle, but you want to make sure you get a good amount of this on your nails, because this is what is going to harden them. And that's why we'll be able to buff them after this step. So now that that's a little bit more dry, we're gonna go in and buff our nails more into a shape. Obviously, you don't want your nails to be super bubbly and weird looking, so that's why we're buffing them out and giving them more shape. Obviously, if you have like one of those nail drills that they have at the nail salon, that would be awesome, because you could honestly shape them however you would like to. But I'm guessing most of you guys are like me and have never done dip nails at home before, so a nail file works perfectly fine. So whenever you're done buffing your nails out, you're going to want to go ahead and apply the Seal and Protect again. Yet again, this is just going to harden your nails even more and make them long lasting. So after applying that, you're going to want to wait about 20 seconds. So after you're done waiting, now you can apply the top coat, and obviously just kind of swirl it around on your nail. You don't have to be super perfect with it. So after applying the first layer of the top coat, you're going to want to wait another minute until you apply the second coat. So after you're done waiting a minute after the second coat, you can go ahead and grab the Nourishing oil and put that around your nail, your cuticles, and then after you're done kind of applying it with the brush, you can go ahead and smooth it around your nails with your finger. It kind of just obviously nourishes it. So much better. Like, look at this nail, y'all. It looks so good. I am so proud of this dip. I feel like this hand looks a little bit better than this one.
No, 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 no.
More bubbly, and I just really like this. Oh my gosh, this is game changing. I really like it. This one's, I mean, my hands are like super dry right now, don't get me wrong. I really like this nail. Like, I'm obsessed with this nail. My first trial, and it's a little bit more bubbly, as you can see, and then this one is much better, which I really like. And the first time that I did this hand, yet again, like I was explaining, I didn't use the brush, so this one's kind of like my third trial. So I guess just by watching this video, just follow along with what I'm doing, and you should be perfectly fine. I just didn't watch any videos, which I should have. I'm not even sure if there's tutorials on this. Or not, just went to go put some rings on for the sake of this video, because it just makes your nails look so much better. But this is what they look like. I'm super proud for like doing this, like dip at home. I'm saving money. Like, this will literally save you so much money. I feel like if I get dip nails, it's like $40 something, and it'll last me a really long time and overall save me a lot of money. So if quarantine has taught me anything right now, is do your own dip nails. So I'm pretty much going to be doing my own dip nails. Hopefully I can commit to that. I really encourage you, if you're super bored at home, to order this kit off of Amazon. It's literally awesome. I'm so proud of myself. Hey. Okay, so here's what they look like without the ring light too, in case if you guys were wondering.